Hi, welcome to HardReset. In front of me Epson XP-6100, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable bidirectional printing. So bidirectional printing is a very good feature to enable or disable. For example, when the printer prints in both directions to increase speed of printing. So turning it off can improve print quality if needed, but turning it on will improve the speed of printing. So you need to adjust it for your needs. Okay, so open settings, find here printer settings, and then scroll down, find here bidirectional and disable it or enable. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.